What's up, ClickShippers? In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to connect your WooCommerce store with ClickShip. With ClickShip, you can manage multiple WooCommerce stores and set up real-time rates at checkout in one consolidated shipping platform. For a smooth integration process, make sure the weight unit and dimensions unit on your WooCommerce store settings are both metric measurements or imperial measurements. To edit these settings, log into your WooCommerce store. Go to the WooCommerce menu, go to Settings and click on Products. Here you will be able to set both dimensions and weight to be either metric or imperial. Now, log into your ClickShip account and then go to the Marketplace page and select WooCommerce. Enter your store name and your WooCommerce store URL and click on Connect to Store. A pop-up will appear asking for permissions to connect to store. Click on Approve. Your orders and products will automatically start importing into your ClickShip account. You can now start fulfilling orders and scheduling pickups. And that's how easy it is to connect your WooCommerce store with ClickShip. To see how to set up real-time rates at checkout, continue watching this video. To enable real-time rates at checkout for your WooCommerce store, you will have to install the ClickShip plugin. To download this on ClickShip, go to the Marketplace and click on Edit Store Settings. Under the Real-Time Rates section, click on the question, Enable Real-Time Rates for my WooCommerce store. Click on this link to download the plugin. You will also see the steps to enable real-time rates listed here if needed. Once you've downloaded the plugin, go to your WooCommerce store, hover over Plugins on the left menu, and click on Add New. Click Upload Plugin and select Choose File and search the plugin file within your computer. Once uploaded, click on Install Now and activate the extension. There are a few more steps and adjustments you'll need to make before getting access to real-time rates at checkout. Hover over to the WooCommerce tab on the left, go to your Settings page. Then click on the Shipping tab and select ClickShip next to the Shipping Zones options and classes. Now go back to your ClickShip account, go to the Marketplaces tab, and click on Edit Store Settings within your WooCommerce store. Copy the Marketplace ID from here and enter it back on WooCommerce. Click the Enable toggle to show ClickShip shipping rates and remember to save your changes. Lastly, you want to make sure your real-time rates for packages is enabled on ClickShip. Inside the Store Setting option on ClickShip, go to the Enable Real-Time Rates section and enable real-time rates for packages, and set your default ship from address and click on Save Changes. And that's how easy it is to set up real-time rates with ClickShip after you've integrated your WooCommerce store. From all of us at the ClickShip team, happy shipping!